हाँ जी, इस विच आपां पढ़ांगे ऑप्टिक्स। देखो ऑप्टिक्स की हैगा। ऑप्टिक्स इज़ अ ब्रांच ऑफ फिजिक्स विच डील्स विद फिनोमिना रिलेटेड टू लाइट। लाइट नाल रिलेटेड जेड़ा भी कोई फिनोमिना उसदे बारे आपां इस विच पढ़दे हां। लाइट इज़ एन इनविजिबल फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी विच प्रोड्यूसेस एमिशंस ऑफ साइट to the retina of our eye. Light itself is invisible but help us to see objects all around us. Optics. Ray optics or geometrical optic, physical optic or wave optic, quantum optics. Ray or geometrical optics. It is based on the rectilinear propagation of light and deals with the refraction of light and uses law of geometry in formation of images formed by mirrors and lens. Physical or wave optics. It is based on the wave nature of light and explains the phenomena interference of light, diffraction of light, polarization. Modern or quantum optics. It is based on the partial nature of light and explains the phenomena photoelectric effect and compound time effect. Refraction of light. When a ray of light traveling in a medium fall on a polarized surface, then it gets bounced back in the same of medium. The phenomenon of bouncing back of light in the same medium on striking a polished surface is known as a reflection of light. The surface which reflects the light is called a reflecting surface. Type of refraction: regular or specular reflection. Here, after reflection, the reflected light follows one particular direction and not random direction corresponding to the direction of incident. Irregular or diffuse refraction. Here, after reflection, the reflected light follows many directions and not a particular direction corresponding to the direction of incident. Laws of reflection. Incident ray normally fractally lies at the same plane. Incident ray equal to the refracted incident angle equal to reflected angle. Incident ray of light falling on the polished surface is called incident ray. Reflected ray of light after striking the polished surface is called reflector ray. Normal, the perpendicular drawn to polished surface is called normal. Angle of incident, it is the angle between incident ray and normal. Angle of reflection, it is the angle between reflector ray and the normal. First law of reflection. This law states that the angle of incident is always equal to the angle of reflection. Angle incident equal to angle of reflection, theta I equal to theta r. Second law of reflection. The incident ray, refractor ray and the normal all lies on the same plane. This plane is on a plane of incident. If a ray of light falls along the normal to the polished surface, then it will retract its original path, its backward direction. Angle of incident, angle of refraction is equal to 0. Reflection from a plane mirror. Consider an object placed in a certain distance in front of mirror as shown in the diagram. To figure out where the image of this object is located, a ray of diagram can be used. In a ray diagram, rays of lights are drawn from the object to the mirror along with the rays that refract off the mirror. The image will be found where the refractor ray intersect. Note that the reflected rays obey laws of refraction. देखो जिधर ਇੱਥੇ ऑब्जेक्ट पे ਇੱਥੋਂ ਰੇ ਆਫ ਲਾਈਟ ਗਈ ਤੇ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਇੱਧਰ ਟਕਰਾ ਗਈ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ What you notice is that the reflector rays diverge from the mirror. They must be extend back to find the place where they intersect, and that's where the image is. ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ intersect ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ is image. Properties of image formed by a plane mirror. The image is of same size as that of the object. हाँ जिन्नी ऑब्जेक्ट का साइज होगा उन्नी इमेज का साइज होगा द इमेज इज एट अ डिस्टेंस बिहाइंड द मिरर एज ऑब्जेक्ट इज इन अ फ्रंट ऑफ इट उन्नी दूरी ते बनेगा जिन्ना कि ऑब्जेक्ट पिया होएगा शीशे तो बाहर उन्नी ही शीशे अंदर इमेज बनेगी द इमेज फॉर्म्ड इज वर्चुअल एंड डायरेक्ट सीधी बनेगी एज द रिफ्लेक्टर रेज प्रिपेयर टू मीट आफ्टर reflection from the mirror. The image formed is laterally inverted. Left will appear on right and vice versa. Number of images of an object placed between two mirrors. The number of images formed depends upon the angle at which the two plant mirrors are placed with each other. If theta is the angle between two plant mirrors, then the number of images formed given by the relation n is equal to 360 degree by theta minus 1, where n number is image formed theta angle between two plant mirrors. Here different case arise, that is number is even value, the number of images formed at 360 degree theta minus 1, and this is odd, then सिमेट्रिकली वैसे ही होगा, लेकिन अगर अनसिमेट्रिकली होगा तो जे एन माइनस नहीं होगा, सेम एज इट रहेगा, एन ही आएगा. इफ़ एन इंसिडेंट रे हैज़ एन एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंट 47 इन ऑन अ प्लान मिरर, देन अ ग्लैंसिंग एंगल इज होएगा 43. क्या होगा 43. If a ray of light falls along the normal to the plan mirror, then the angle of incidence is 0. What should the minimum light of length of the mirror to get a full image of person height h standing on the front of it? 3h by 2. If a boy moves velocity v towards the mirror, then its image will appear to move towards him with velocity c h by 2 नहीं 2b. ठीक है.